Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make Christmas wreath with 3 decorations for the Christmas tree. I start by secure the battery container of my LED light set on the back of the wreath with aluminum wire. Now I wrap the light around the wreath. Here I make a bow that I glue with hot glue at the top of the wreath. What you see here is what remains of a bird feeder. I will use it as a perch for my bird. Now I add aluminum wire to belts to be able to attach them to the wreath. Let's move to the Christmas ball with the bird. I put white glue on the bird and then I sprinkle it with sparkling powder. I cut out of a ribbon a square that I fold to make a bow. Then I glue it with hot glue at the top of the ball. Now, always with hot glue, I glue the bird inside the ball. Now I pour snow made of recovered plastic bag in the second half of the plastic ball. Add aluminum wire or a ribbon to hang the Christmas ball. Here is another decoration to put in your Christmas tree. I cover this wooden snowman with white glue, then I sprinkle it with sparkling powder and then let it dry. You must do the same thing on the other side. For this Christmas tree decoration, I cover with white glue a wooden pine tree, then I sprinkle it with snowflake-shaped glitter and let it dry. You must do the same thing on the other side. There you go, a wreath and 3 decorations for your Christmas tree. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.